kicked the ground in anger, hating how weak I felt inside. Then you put your hand on my shoulder, said I just need practice, not pride. They only saw a weapon to use. But you see me behind the cold exterior I choose. You see what I could be. You see me when I'm breaking. You see me through the walls. No one else sees my potential the way you do at all. You see me, really see me, more than I deserve to show. I'll become stronger for you, my Khloe. A year of training turned to something more than drills and strategy. Evening light, I caught your hand trembling, confessed what you mean to me. I don't deserve you, but I'm trying to be worthy of your grace. My forehead pressed to yours, not hiding my thumb against your face. You see me when I'm breaking. You see me through the walls. No one else sees my potential the way you do it all. You see me, really see me, more than I deserve to show. I'll become stronger for you, my Khloe. I thought you'd pull away when silence filled the space, but you kept my hand then on your cheek, that gentle place. I buried